people, welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, where have you been? Where have you been? Anyway, my name is Miss Linda, a special needs educator and a speech and language pathologist. So, welcome to who are differently abled. So, why is it that toothbrushing is such a big thing? Why is it that toothbrushing is such a difficult, it's such a challenging issue with our children who have special needs? So here today, we want to look at how we can make it interesting. Because you see, one of the challenges that makes our children who are differently able struggle with toothbrushing, one of them is sensory processing disorders. They have challenges with to process their sensory, and that can be well explained by an occupational therapist, of which you can visit our previous videos. We did a video on sensory processing disorder. You can visit and learn much more on that. But for this specific video, I'm not going to talk about sensory processing disorder. I'll just let you know our children might have a challenge with toothbrushing because one, they don't like the texture or the taste of the toothpaste. Sometimes they don't like the sound that they make when they are brushing. You know, when you're brushing your teeth, that sound that you make when you're brushing your teeth, when you're brushing, there's that sound that you make. For children who are autistic, children who have special needs, sometimes they struggle with that. We do. One, if you now discover that you're having challenges with your toothbrushing for your special needs child, and I'm specific with special needs child for this video because that's where we have a lot of challenges. So if you just realize your child is a different abled child, please start training to the brushing as early as now. For your special needs child, the moment you realize your child is differently abled, start train to the brushing as early as now. So I know some of you are looking at me and asking me, how am I doing this? You can start even when your child is 2 years old, 3 years old. You don't have to wait for 5 years old or 6 and then you try. And for this video, I will look at the age gap between 1 year and a half. There are those who know when their children are 18 months, they know my child is different abled. There are those who know their child are different abled when they are 2 years, others 2 and a half, others 3, others 3 and a half. So, and others 4 years. And that is the age range for this video. So when you realize your child has a challenge with toothbrushing and your child is between that range of age, you can first get a picture of teeth. Yes. You get a picture of a tooth. Then when you get a picture of a tooth, you can print. You don't have to draw. Mine is just I've just drawn with just a mark pen. You can Google your own and just get a picture of tooth. This is don't go and take your 3-year-old child and start telling them, let's go to the sink, open your mouth, you put your toothpaste on the brush, let's do the brushing. Please don't do that. Especially activities of daily living. It is a step at a time. It is a process. There is no any destination when it comes to teaching activities of daily living for your special children. Don't please be rushing to get a destination. No. It is a process. So that's why I'm saying you just introducing to the brushing, you have given them the brush, the toothpaste, and you expect them to just, work, accept to work with you. Before you introduce the toothpaste, before you put their brush on their teeth, start with a picture. So get your picture. This might not be a good picture, but you can Google yours with teeth, several teeth. Then after that, you can now try to explain to them, these are teeth. Then you show them their teeth, or you point at their teeth, or you point at your teeth. Then now after doing that, you have a picture, you're pointing at them their teeth, and you have told them, you brush, you show them now the brush. This is the brush for brushing the teeth. You make sure you are relating the picture of the teeth and the picture, the real teeth. Your work is just to touch and then touch the teeth in a picture. Then take your toothpaste. I will say You can decide to take the real toothpaste, or you can decide to take a paint. You can use the real toothpaste or a paint. So what's workable for you? If you can take a paint which is color red, green, yellow, you can take all those paint, then you show them how you brush. It's like painting, but you're telling them we are brushing. And you sing and you behave like it's a real deal. Yeah, yes. Special needs is all about making things look like a real deal. You tell them we are brushing our teeth. Can you brush our teeth? You can even sing for them a song. This is the way we brush our teeth, brush our teeth, brush our teeth. This is the way we brush our teeth so early in the morning. As you do it using different paints, just on a paper. And please make sure you laminate your paper so that it doesn't tear. So laminate your paper so that when you laminate your paper, it will be now easier for you to use any different paint on it. Then you can, if you don't want to use the paint, you can just use the real toothpaste. You take your toothpaste, just a little of it. You don't have to waste it. Just put the little of it. Then after that, you now take your picture with the teeth. Then you sing. You talk as you paint. You can do this over and over and over again. You just introduce them to what exactly is toothbrushing. Please don't take your 2-year-old, 3-year-old who are special needs and start brushing their teeth. Even you have to explain the whole concept and make them enjoy brushing the laminated picture of teeth. Do it. I told you with activities of daily living, there is no destination. It is a process. We perfect as we move. When they get at 9 years, they will do it much better. When they get at 12 years, they do it much better. So right now it's patient and it's a process. So you do all that, you sing, you do the brushing with the picture as you move on. Then now after that, on the next video, I'll be now showing you how you can help your child to toothbrush who are between 5 years, 6 years, 7 years. You have tried you've tried everything to help them toothbrush, but it's becoming difficult. So for the next video, the second part of this video, I will now be showing you the techniques, the ways of how we can make them accept to toothbrush. But now, for the first time, please follow the steps that I've given you. As simple as that. I told you it's a process, no destinations. Is that okay? Thank you so much for watching this video. See you on the next video.